When you find a new recipe that looks good with your favorite ingredient, you have to drop everything and do it. That's exactly what I did when I read this recipe. I have expressed my love for okra before on this channel, so I had to do it. Sadly, it didn't work out for me, and I will tell you why later. Let's get the chopping board and prepare the okra. The quantity I have here is about 0.4 pound, equivalent to 185 grams. We are going with fried okra. You can leave them as whole and just cut the top part. However, the reason I'm going with cutting them into 3 parts, almost into equal thirds, is because I plan to serve them as bite size and maybe serve them with some food stick. Also, I don't recommend frying the end of the okra because it will burn easily. Just make sure that the end will handle the frying heat. If it's too thin and it will burn quickly, then discard it. Obviously, you don't have to do one separately. You can do a bunch equally. Just make sure that the okras are together and equal in size, and cut them into thirds, in 3 parts. Now it's time to prepare the dredging station. For this quantity of okra, you will need 3 medium eggs. Whisk them up and mix the eggs well. Set that aside. Next, we're going to add our cornmeal. Here we have 2/3 of a cup, which is about 100 grams of cornmeal. We're gonna add some table salt, drizzle that in all around, followed by some black pepper. Mix it well without spilling it out of the plate. It's time to bring everything together. For this occasion, a food grade glove is appropriate. Start by taking your okra, dipping them in the egg first, and then scooping them out and cover them in the cornmeal. Note, when you take out the okra from the eggs, make sure that there is no excess egg. That will absorb your cornmeal. Make sure you drain them well. You don't have to do them individually. You can do them in patches, whole patches. Just make sure that you separate them and they don't stick together, because they will easily. Now we're ready for frying. Let's clean up the plates. And the table before heading outside. Bring out your favorite skillet and add your frying oil. I used canola oil. I went with a shallow fry. If you prefer, you can go with a deep fry if you like. Heat up your oil. Make sure that you have a plate with some paper towels to absorb extra oil. Once your oil is hot enough, add in your okra. Again, make sure that the okra doesn't stick together. Separate them. Let them fry for about 5 minutes on medium heat or until the cornmeal has turned golden brown. Just like that. Once they're done, remove them and let them cool on the paper towel. Here you can see why this recipe did not work for me. So much of the cornmeal did not stick to the okra. I don't know why. Maybe you can help me with this by writing in the comments. All I can say about this recipe is it's good if the cornmeal stuck a lot more. That's our fried okra recipe. If you have any questions or comment, please feel free to leave them below. If you like this video, please consider giving us a thumbs up, subscribing to the channel and sharing the videos with your friends who like okra. Thank you for watching till the end and I will see you in the next video.